Hi guys, my name is Nisha and I'm the host of my channel Soft Skills Rock. And guess what? Where am I today? I am at the house of the big artist Shaily Verma. And as you can see at my back, it's a beautiful painting and I believe it's my pleasure to be here. I'll show you some of her painting. You can come here and see. Check out this beautiful Buddha's painting. Yes, and also yes, you can check out oh yes, we actually got the opportunity to get into her studio. Yes, it's a beautiful studio, and you can see some ongoing paintings there. You can check out some more paintings there. Yeah, so it's a beautiful house and some beautiful painting. One more studio is there. Yes, we'll go into this room. Let me switch on the lights. Yes, so you can see this beautiful studio. Look at this beautiful painting. I love this color. Seriously, man. Gorgeous. So I would want you to meet Shaily Verma the artist. Shaily? Hi. So here is the beautiful artist herself, and I would like that she should share her secret of making these beautiful paintings. How does she do it?
Well, that's called my passion, and yes, of course, my sister's love, and she has actually inspired me a lot for making beautiful paintings.
So here's the secret. She's my younger sister.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shaily.
Yeah.
And you are a big inspiration for many students.
Exactly.
And I really wish that many of the students can learn a lot from you. So guys, if you want to learn how to make these masterpieces, if you are staying nearby Noida, then you can come in Gaur City, 16th Avenue, Gaur City 2, I guess.
Yes.
And I'll update her phone number and address in the comment below. And I believe she is the perfect person to learn how to make these beautiful masterpieces. Right, guys? So, see you. Bye-bye.